So today we're going to be solving this problem with the bearings and the planes. So to start off, we need to plot where the planes are going to be. The bearings for plane A are north 20 east. So to plot this, we go north and we go 20 degrees to the east, and we make a line out to it. Plane B, let's make that point A. Plane B is at the bearings of south 30 east. So you're going to go south and 30 degrees east until you come to this point. So this angle is 20 degrees and this angle is 30 degrees, which means to find this missing angle, you need to do 180 minus 20 minus 30, which equals 130 degrees. So this angle here is 130 degrees. To find the distance between these two planes, you need to connect the planes and give this line a variable. So I chose x. First, you need to find the distance of these two lines. As we know, plane A is moving at 400 miles an hour, and plane B is moving at 500 miles an hour. After 3 hours, the plane that is moving at 400 miles an hour will have traveled 1,200 miles. The plane that was moving at 500 miles an hour will have traveled at 1,500 miles an hour. 1,500 miles. As we have these three values, it's clear that we have to use the law of cosines because we have side, angle, side. So the law of cosines equation for this problem would be x squared equals 1,200 squared plus 1,500 squared minus 2 times 1,200 times 1,500 times cosine of 130. Okay, to solve this, we use the calculator, and the final value on the calculator comes to 6,040,035.395. This equals x squared equals 0,040. To solve for x, you need to find the square root of this value, which comes to 2,450.31. Now you have the value for the distance between the two planes after 3 hours. 2,450.31 miles. So now you have to find the bearings between plane A and plane B. To do this, you need to draw another coordinate plane for plane A, and you're looking to find this angle. So to solve for this angle here, you first need to solve for the whole angle, which we'll call y. To do this, you can use either the law of sines or the law of cosines again. I'm going to use the law of cosines again, but use a different equation. So the equation I'm going to use is going to be y equals cosine -1 in parentheses 1,200 squared plus 2,450.31 squared minus 1,500 squared over 2 times 1,200 times 1,500. Make that a little neater. Okay, so I went ahead and solved this already just to make it a little bit easier, and I found that the answer to this is 27.97 degrees. So this whole angle here is, all right, y equals 27.97 degrees. Now we have to find this little angle here, and we can call this Z. Now to find angle Z, it's quite simple. You know that this line and this line are parallel. So this angle and this angle are going to be congruent because of alternate interior angles. This angle and this angle. So this angle is 20 degrees, which makes this angle also 20 degrees. So now, since you know the full angle here is 27.97 degrees, you need to find Z. To do this, you subtract the 20 degrees from the 27.97, which comes out to 7.97 degrees. So this whole angle here is 7.97 degrees, and now you have to find the bearings. So to find the bearings, you go from plane A, and from plane A to plane B is in the south direction. So it's south, then 7.97 degrees east, to the east side. So your bearings are going to be south 7.97 east.